What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the set of CJ's First Cooking Show. I'm CJ. Behind this camera is Nate.
Hey-o.
Right over there is Ethan.
There he
AKA...
is.
They call me Cool Ethan.
So today I'm going to show you guys a delightful Bruce Mitchell Bayou-inspired cuisine.
Special.
I did spend a lot of time with Bruce. He did cook me a lot of food.
Did you enjoy that time?
I enjoyed my time with Bruce.
Yeah.
I'll just say that. So today I'm going to show you a Cajun style quesadilla. Super simple, super quick, super easy. We're going to ring it and bring it. And I might even give old Mr. Bruce, the alligator man Mitchell, a little phone call to say hello.
I miss his giggle.
I love Bruce. Cheers, buddy.
So come on, everyone, it's CJ's First Cooking Show.
Okay, first off, ladies and gents, right behind me, I've got my 36-inch Blackstone air fryer unit that has been preheating on medium. Let's go down with some cubed up, chopped up
Pollo.
Pollo Loco. Dude, there's a place in Albuquerque where I grew up. It's called Pollo Loco.
Yeah.
They have the best fried chicken.
Aren't there a bunch of those? A chain, right?
It was a chain. I don't know that.
Chain hanging from it.
That's so bad, ain't it? Chain hanging from it.
Uneven chicken thighs because they are juicy, they are delicious,
Fatty.
and very fatty and full of flavor.
Why, fatty?
So you can beat
I've also got some green bell pepper here. I feel like, actually, I don't feel like it. I know that there are some Bayou staples, Louisiana Cajun
yep.
staples, and bell pepper and onion are two of those staples. The other,
What's the third one?
the
that you
third
don't
one
have?
that I don't have, which I don't want, is celery. And I thought about doing that.
Huh?
I just don't like celery.
What?
I can eat celery, but I just feel like,
Dude, ants on a log?
yeah, bro, exactly, disgusting.
Can you do ants on a log on your episode? Show people how to make it?
No.
When was the last time you had ants on a log?
I was probably in elementary school.
Yeah, they're great.
Great, I think, is a strong statement to say that ants on a log is great. Is it?
That's
Is it
strong?
The cheese that you put with it, is that
The what?
the orange, gross, the stuff that it sits on the log with?
Peanut butter.
Pimento?
and
Is it?
raisins. No way.
Okay. So there's no
What?
pimento involved?
You've never had ants on a log.
Raisins and peanut butter?
Creamy peanut butter and raisins and a delicious celery shell.
Okay, leave it in the
What
comments.
in the world?
Leave it-
Pimento.
Is there no such thing as celery and pimento?
If there is, I don't want it.
If love me was wrong, I don't want to be right. Now I've got some yellow onion. Again, 2 out of 3. I'm gonna chop this yellow onion up probably into the same size, I guess, as my bell peppers.
Some people call that dice.
I'm gonna dice up my onions to the same size as my bell peppers. But I'm gonna go ahead and get those on right next to my chicken. Gonna season those with a little bit of salt and pepper. While I'm over there, I'm gonna toss my chicken around a little bit. And let's get to my Andouille sausage. This
You
seems
do any
to
of the
be
Bayou blend on this? Or
this.
just like wait
Not
for the
yet.
Bayou blend?
Just wait. Just wait. We're gonna get there.
Just wait.
Pills are good.
Pills are good.
So I'm gonna slice up some of this andouille sausage. I know for sure that this is a Bayou favorite because we've seen quite a few recipes
Spicy,
with old
delicious goodness.
Mr. Bruce Mitchell. Speaking of Bruce Mitchell, I'm gonna throw this andouille sausage on there and I'm giving that guy a call. All right.
Hey, how often do you call Bruce?
I wouldn't say like,
Do you call him at home?
Do you have a dorsal fin?
does he have a... Freaking...
He's probably fishing or something. He's probably busy.
voicemail. All right, so we're gonna get back to that. In the meantime, actually, you know what?
Dude,
That's
your phone
good.
doesn't even work. You
That
don't even
is
really-
good because I feel like we should ring it and bring it real quick.
Bruce,
We've been putting a
He's
lot of time
obviously
in.
busy.
Obviously, because he wouldn't ignore my calls.
Never.
Okay, I'm glad he missed the call because I have some stuff to do. While that is cruising, we are gonna get to. You know what? I was gonna do sauce. I'm gonna call you an audible.
Whoa.
Audible
Take
on the
it
play.
easy.
I know. That's you know
Did
what?
you consult the coach?
I am the coach.
Are you?
Yes.
Are I'm ready to go in, Coach. Just give me a chance.
Dude, look at all that color and caramelization coming into play.
Boom.
All right, right next to it, I'm going to take some lessons from old Mr.
Todd
Ben
Tobin.
here. Mr. Ben's original
The Todd
Todd
Tobin
Tobin special. And
Uncle Todd.
Uncle Toddy T, baby. Uncle Toddy T.
Uncle Bobby B, baby. Uncle Bobby B.
And now I've got some chicken stock here. This is going to help steam and cook our rice. But
Oh,
whoa,
it's a
whoa, whoa,
decent
whoa,
amount.
whoa, whoa.
It's a decent amount of liquid.
It is a decent amount of liquid, but I want that because it's going to steam up, cook our rice, and get it real nice and flavorful. I'm actually going to go ahead and season that specifically with a
about
little
time.
bit of Bayou blend here.
I've been waiting for this.
Dude, I'm gonna get to it. I just needed to do this.
I've been waiting.
All right, I'm gonna let that chicken broth, or stock, should I say, reduce.
I'm feeling saucy.
I'm feeling saucy.
I've got a special sauce I'm gonna be making, and for the base is sour cream. Now, we've said this plenty of
Sour
times
cream.
before.
À la crème. Tomber la crème.
I do not enjoy sour cream by itself. I do not enjoy mayo by itself. But if you start elevating it a little bit
You
with some other sauces,
would.
You would.
I'm gonna add some coarse black
Pepper?
pepper, some pepper, and
Well, that's it.
I was gonna do some more Bayou blend, but I did add quite a bit of Louisiana hot sauce. So you know what? Okay, let's just
All
do
right.
it. All right. Okay.
Okay.
All right.
You did.
There we go. I'm gonna set my sauce aside.
Good looking.
Toss this over here, and it's time to call Bruce. All right. This is the
Oh,
chicken
dang,
and the
sausage
bell
good.
peppers and sausage are
I
looking.
tasted.
Did you?
I went out of order and I tasted.
Dude, I didn't even ask.
It's
Stay
real
there.
good. You know what? You could go a touch more hot sauce.
Really?
I think so.
Okay. Well, then let's do a little bit more stock here with my
The
rice.
sour cream kind of cooled it off, chilled it out a little.
I'm even gonna add a little bit of this broth.
Okay.
This stock.
Okay.
To my chicken and my sausage. And what's not? All right, now that, hold on, let me incorporate that a little bit more. I'm gonna do another round of rice. But while I'm waiting and letting this flavor reduce, I'm calling Bruce again. I
He's
got it.
fishing. He's definitely not here.
Redial for a reason. There we go.
Okay. He's catfishing. He's gator fishing.
Fish fishing.
He's fishing.
Fish fishing.
What does he want, man? He's gonna call me 10 times. What does he want?
He's probably fish
Okay.
fishing. Okay. So
Yep.
let's ring in and bring it again.
I think you might have the wrong phone number.
I definitely do not have the wrong phone number.
Did I catch a niner in there?
Were you calling from a walkie-talkie? Okay, dude, so Bruce didn't answer again. I'm gonna call back.
It's real good, dude. Taste it.
I'm gonna taste it.
It's got that sweet vinegar Louisiana hot sauce action. It could go hotter.
There's enough heat there.
But it could go hotter.
Well,
It's gonna
just
go on the
because it
rice.
could doesn't mean it should.
You ever thought?
Yeah.
Whether or not they could, they didn't stop to think if they should.
I have done enough hot one stuff. Okay?
Oh,
we don't need to
have.
burn the palate any longer.
If
but
you haven't seen that video, it was so much fun.
I am gonna thin this out a little bit though. Gonna call
with the
another
stock.
audible. Gonna do a little bit more of
Dude,
this.
you freaking Brett Favre in here today.
Brett Favre?
Favre.
Favre. Okay, let's give this another twistedy turn
So now
here.
you're adding a savory tone to the sauce.
Now, yes,
Sweet,
yes. It's exactly what I
acidity.
meant to do. Giving the palate everything that it
actually-
wants.
That's a good idea.
Well,
Look
you
at
tell
that.
me.
Okay.
Yeah?
A new dynamic.
Okay.
Taste that elevated sauce.
I like what you've done here.
I like what you've done here.
Now it's time to incorporate a little bit. Oh, yes. Okay, now I'm gonna do some seasoning
Should I
with some
stay-
Bayou.
stay
You
here?
just stay right there.
Okay.
We're gonna top this off now. Now, Ethan.
Mid-dust.
Ethan just tried Bayou blend for the first time just a moment ago. What did you think, buddy?
Bayou-y.
Bayou.
Bayou-y? Like
Bayou-y.
Bayou-y.
Bayou.
Ew. Ew. No, not good. Okay, I'm gonna do a little bit more chicken stock because this stuff is just a flavor bomb right now. Okay, this is now done. I'm gonna set this off to the side. Make some room for some tortillas. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna clean up the Blackstone a little bit, get rid of some of that residue. Gonna put down. Let's do. You know what? There's
We'll do
three of
two.
us.
3?
Why not? Ethan's here. He wants to eat.
Sharing is caring.
Sharing is caring. I'm gonna go ahead and put down 3 tortillas, sprinkle some cheese in there. Now that we're starting to see all that melty cheese happening, the ooey and the gooey, I think I'm actually gonna drizzle a little bit of our special sauce inside there.
You're drizzling inside?
Inside the quesadilla.
Okay.
Now it's time to flip and let those begin toasting. Now the toasting is not gonna take long. You're gonna start to see that warm, crispy exterior, the color, and I think that those are ready to pull off. And let's cut them up and plate them, dude. And in true CJ's First Cooking Show fashion, it's a post dust for 2 reasons. Number 1, for the flavor. Number 2, the contrast of colors are delightful. So here we go, some Bayou blend. Dude, I mean, come on, don't lie. You know it's beautiful.
You gonna do the sauce too?
Of course I am.
I know.
This has to cool off. I'm calling Bruce to tell him how awesome it is. To the phone.
You haven't even tried it yet. What if it's not good?
I know it's good.
Dude, he's doing Bruce stuff.
What does doing Bruce stuff mean?
I don't know, he's probably...
No,
busy.
it's not gonna be busy.
What do you
It's
want?
not. Bruce! Bruce?
Oh, the heck with it.
Bad connection.
Fishing stuff.
Fishing stuff.
Yeah.
That is neither here nor there. Let us take this to the bar
Did
and let's give it a try, dude.
it.
Okay, here we go. I'm gonna jump in here.
These look phenomenal.
Now, also one of the benefits of doing the flip, like where you fold it over, is that you get this one side that's, you're not gonna lose all your
envelope?
goods. Now, the one in the middle, that it's got 2 openings on both sides, that one's for Ethan.
A little packet of goodies.
Because he would figure out a way to spill this anyways. Just a minute ago, he spit water all over the
Yeah.
set. Anyways, so here we go. I've got my special sauce.
Mm.
Dude, these are still toasty inside.
Oh, hello, Crunch.
Oh, man. That special sauce is so good.
Yeah?
But,
Yeah? Yeah?
yeah, it's good.
Yeah?
This has plenty of heat inside of it.
That
Leave it in
Andouille's got heat?
But the bell peppers, onions, everything inside of there. Now, that being said, some people are not kosher with the Louisiana heat, the cayenne pepper,
That
if
being
you will.
said,
Let me know in the comments down
what
below
else
if you
has been
approve.
said?
Plenty of things. But that's all I want to know about in the comments right now, because I have other stuff I want to read from the comments.
Good stuff?
It's iffy. I'll let you guys decide, because we're now going into CJ's favorite comments of the week.
From impressive to obsessive, a little spice and the not so nice. It's time for CJ's favorite comments of the week.
Welcome, welcome, welcome to this segment of the show
welcomes.
where you, the viewers, get a chance to show up in CJ's First Cooking Show. A platform has been
dare.
built for you. Actually, you guys are the one who built the platform.
That's true.
Well, this is the segment of the show where you, the viewers, get a chance to voice your opinion. I screenshot comments.
You write it.
We read it.
Them's the rules.
And this is how the game is played, starting at the top in no particular order. Here we go. This very first one is from a guy named Mike.
Hey, Mike.
This is an interesting
Mike Wazowski.
Always watching.
I would love to spend a day in that brain while you watch TV. That has to be intense. And probably roomier than my place. There's roomier
Can't
in
be-
my head? Because there's less space for a brain? If
'Cause
I
you're-
only had a brain.
I think he was being clever.
Mike, I'm gonna go with clever, but also funny. If you meant to zing it, well played, Monfrere. I'm gonna give that a ring.
Okay.
All right.
There you go, Mike.
Mike, cheers, buddy. Okay, this next one comes in from Wes Hensley.
Wes Anderson.
Ooh, now you're barking up the alley where Ethan would love to hang out. You're a Wes Anderson fan, right?
Most of them, the French Dispatch and whatever.
They're all right.
Good thing it's not Wes Anderson. That would have been rude.
Those videos are like their movies are. It's close. It's like inches away from being a good movie.
Just not quite there.
Like 4, 5.
Maybe 9.
Hey, speaking of inches, CJ, did you know that Trenton Reznor actually felt like he lost a girlfriend when Johnny Cash covered Hurt because he felt like the song was no longer his?
Except it was awesome.
I will say this.
I believe he changed
Trent,
his mind later.
I applaud you, sir, not for writing a great song. That was a great song. But for letting your baby go. It's like you knew it was better in the hands. Probably top 3 greatest covers of all time. I will ring it to you, good sir.
Cash and Red.
Trent, Cash, you guys, you did good. I digress. Wes Hensley says, that looked painful. Oh, by the way, this is the chicken recipe, the chicken wings
I think
recipe,
he was
the
talking
hot
about
ones.
your show in general.
No, he was not. This is the hot ones recipe.
Okay.
That looks painful. You guys are rugged. A modified quote that hints at my age. I love the taste of napalm in the morning.
Hey, okay.
It tastes like victory. You guys are awesome. As a newbie to both of your channels, enjoying the recipes and the fun. Wes, my man, welcome
Cheers
to the
to you,
channel.
Wes.
We will cheers to you, amigo, and thank you for hanging out on the hot ones, which not many people did. I really appreciate you being one of the ones that did.
Yeah,
because
go
it
watch
really
the
hurt
video.
a lot.
Yeah, we spent a lot of emotional effort.
And physical trauma.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, this next one comes in from Ken H. Ken, what up?
Is that it?
No, that was just me saying hello to Ken. I just
Oh,
wanted to give
I
him
thought
some
that was
face
his
time.
comment.
There we go. Ken says, so does it count as a movie quote if I've started quoting you guys? Nah, dude.
No.
That's what he says.
He said, nah, dude?
He said, nah, dude.
Not a movie quote, but an honorable quote.
Okay, Ken,
Boom.
cheers to that quote.
All right. Wait, we're getting quoted?
Have we arrived? Wait, this is what it feels like. Just, shh, listen.
Who there called my name?
Even for the win, dude.
This next one is brought to you in part by
Noah's Arcade.
Will says, you guys really are full of yourselves. It's almost unbelievable. Like Chris Rock says, wow. It's like you two are blind to the arrogance.
Dude, with all those like pauses with the dots, it's like a dramatic.
Let's do the Scooby-Doo ending.
Okay.
It's almost like we're really full of ourselves, CJ.
It's unbelievable, really.
You know, it's like Chris Rock said, wow.
Wow. Wait. Are we really full?
Full of ourselves?
Arrogance has blinded us.
Totally blind.
Should we start over? Should we make
You
amends?
just quit. You should be done. That's it. That's a wrap.
Well,
That's the end.
I guess there's no more CJ's second cooking show in the works.
Bring it up. Bring it up. Come on. Bring it up.
Okay, this next one comes in from Gina Buchanan.
Hey, Gina.
Gina, her daughter's represented right up here.
Oh, right on.
Little artistic moment. Gina says this is a great
great one.
way to wrap it up.
Yep.
Wow.
Wascally Wabbit.
This was awesome. But how was the rest of your day? It was complicated.
It was a day and a half of repercussions.
Repercussions. So cheers to the repercussions.
To all we do for you out there.
And nobody watches.
Things we sacrifice.
Like my intestines. All right, guys, thank you so much. I appreciate you guys hanging out through all of that madness and the shenanigans.
You're
Go ahead and
welcome.
type in griddlenation.com. You can find this shirt, many other shirts,
Lots of
stickers, apparel, all that good stuff. And definitely go check out all of the shows that we have going on here. But in the meantime,
Leave
this
a comment down below. Don't.
this is CJ's first
this out.
cooking show where we cook.
And we quote.
And we have a lot of fun with your comments, so be sure to leave one down in the comment section. Until next time, I am CJ Frazier, and this
CJ's last cooking show.